Another important component that's often overlooked quite often is the pressure regulator. If you have a drip system, this is absolutely required, and without one, you could have a system blowout or rupture of your drip tubing and components. Typical water supplies from the home are in the 40 to 60 psi range, which is 2 to 6 times the max pressure for drip irrigation. Understand that the system may not pop initially, but over time with expansion and contraction due to heat and cold, weak points will eventually fail, and it usually happens when you're on vacation or gone for the day. Always use one of these in your zones for drip. They're easy to install, and some of the filters you can buy have them internally to make it simple. You can buy them threaded for a hose setup, or like the one on the right, you can add it to your PVC flow and irrigation design.